guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about centripetal acceleration as a part of our rotational motion unit. Let's get started. So first we're going to talk about circular motion, and as the name suggests, circular motion is a motion that occurs in the shape of a circle. And within that circle there are different forces and velocities in play. So first we're going to talk about radial and tangential components. Radial component refers to any component of the motion that's pointing towards the center of the circle. Tangential is happening at the periphery of the circle, so right where the circle goes out, this is the tangent. And a radial component is the centripetal